koro dhi nyime kod timo nonro ewi wach kuo machalo kamano. Jaod bura mar seme laktar James Nyikal kwayo mondo mi manyi yo mar dwoko piny buche mag rocho ratich nyithindo e kachung'od bura mare mano ma seme. Laktar Nyikal wacho ni seme en achiel kuom sub counties e gwenge mag Nyanza ma bende ni kod kwan mamalo mar nyithindo morocho ratich gi e yor bembo. Jaod bura ne loso e gwenge mag seme e yo machalo kama.
We are also concerned that maybe sometimes these things don't go through the whole process of the law, because you may find that people tend to make agreements at home. And I'll say that on criminal offenses, there is no agreement. When a child is defiled, there can be no agreement between the offender and even the parents of the child. There can be no, in fact, if there can be evidence that some agreement has been reached, all the people involved in the agreement are breaking the law, and actually that should be taken against them. But I'll call upon the community that when things like this are happening, often the community know, and we should look at the basic social issues in the community and ask all the community, the clan elders, the assistant chiefs, the chiefs to take action, report, and I know the police have a lot of work to do